Hello, everyone. My name is Lavita, and I'm a nurse. Never in my life have I seen in my 25 years of nursing anything to this magnitude. We all are shocked. Everyone is fearful for their lives. Um, the general public and healthcare workers. In general, we are at the front lines. We didn't enlist into an army, so we are being asked to go out and protect the people, which we love doing, but they're asking us to do it ill prepared. For example, we're supposed to have what's known as personal protective equipment, and right now they keep telling us there's a limited supply. They keep changing the protocols and lessening the standards and saying, "Oh, it's okay. You don't require that." The CD is saying that's not necessary. Whereas through scientific, evidence, it's been proven that we need certain masks, certain gloves, certain goggles, certain gowns. So due to lack of supply, they want to say, "Oh, you don't need that. You'll be okay." um, if they don't do something soon, they've even mentioned us wearing a scarf. This allows for no protection. I might as well just open my mouth when I walk in a room of a COVID positive patient and breathe in and out. So basically, what's going to eventually happen is you're going to wipe out your whole healthcare force. Even after this corona virus has passed, you will see that there will be no healthcare workers left. And I'm so shocked at the lack of caring for the healthcare professionals. It's as if we're told to just go out there and do our job with nothing. I might as well just just go out with a gun with no bullets, in other words. And it's just so shocking. People are scared. They're going to stop coming to work. I just don't know what is going to happen to us in general, meaning not just your healthcare workers, just the whole US. And they really have to do something about this. We need PPE, which is our personal protective equipment. I was told in the elevator at work when I was going down to take an assignment in the ER, oh, make sure you do not wear too much PPE. What does that even mean? How can I do that? I mean, I have to protect myself. I have to do what's necessary to keep my family safe and all the rest of the patients safe. We're even being told to continue to work if we've been exposed, just wear a mask. How unsafe is that when everyone else is being quarantined? We need the proper PPE to do our jobs, to protect everyone, and them lessening the standards is not appropriate, is not safe, it's just unacceptable, and you're really asking people to just put their lives on the line at this point. Something has to be done. We have to fight and get PPE for the healthcare workers.